Hello and welcome to Chat and Learn English.
The podcast for English learners who want to listen to simple, everyday conversations.
I'm Elle.
And I'm Mike. Thanks for joining us.
Today we're talking about cooking at home, something we all do.
Yes! We'll talk about our habits, mistakes, and favorite meals.
So sit back, relax, and let's get started. So Mike, do you enjoy cooking?
I enjoy eating more than cooking, to be honest.
Fair enough.
But I still cook a few times a week.
That's good. Why do you cook at home?
It's cheaper, healthier, and sometimes relaxing.
Yes, I agree. I actually enjoy cooking, especially when I'm not in a hurry.
What kind of food do you usually cook?
Simple meals: pasta, rice, vegetables.
Do you experiment with new recipes?
Sometimes, but I prefer easy ones.
Same here. Too many steps make it stressful. Have you made any cooking mistakes?
Oh, yes. I once added too much salt.
Classic mistake.
The food was impossible to eat.
I once burned my dinner completely.
What happened?
I forgot it on the stove while using my phone.
That happens a lot these days. Do you cook for other people?
Sometimes for friends.
Do you feel nervous?
Yes, I always want the food to be good.
Same here, but people usually appreciate it.
How did you learn cooking?
From my family.
I learned from online videos.
That's a great way. Do you have a favorite cooking memory?
Yes, cooking with friends.
That's always fun.
Even if the food isn't perfect, it's enjoyable.
Let's talk about shopping. Do you enjoy grocery shopping?
Not really, but I try to go once or twice a week.
Do you make a list?
Sometimes, but I usually forget something.
Haha, same. I always forget at least one thing.
And then you have to go back again.
Exactly.
Do you ever prepare food in advance?
Yes, sometimes, especially when I'm busy.
That's smart.
It saves time during the week.
I should try that.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
Probably fried rice.
That's easy and tasty.
Yes, and you can add anything.
Exactly. It's very flexible.
Have you ever had a funny moment in the kitchen?
Yes, one time I dropped food on the floor.
Oh no.
And I had to start again.
That's frustrating.
But also a little funny later. Do you like cleaning after cooking?
No, that's the worst part.
I agree.
Cooking is fun. Cleaning is not.
But it feels good when everything is clean.
What's your comfort food?
Soup.
Nice and warm.
Yes, especially on cold days.
Mine is simple rice dishes.
So overall, do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, even with mistakes.
Same here. It's a useful skill.
Do you want to improve your cooking?
Yes, I want to try new international dishes.
That sounds exciting. Before we finish, let's look at some useful words from today's conversation.
Recipe means instructions.
Ingredients are what you use.
Burn means cook too much. And that brings us to the end of today's episode.
Thanks so much for listening to Chat and Learn English.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give this video a like.
And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next episode.
It really means so much to us.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.